This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Chock the wheel diagonally opposite the wheel to be changed. Open the tailgate, undo the fastener and remove the tools from the sill panel. Using the wheel brace, loosen the nuts by 6 to 8 turns, then unhook the spare wheel cradle from the securing bracket under the back of the vehicle and lower the cradle until it is resting on the floor. Remove the spare wheel from the cradle. Position the jack head under the reinforced section of the door sill flange, then wind the jack handle clockwise until the foot of the jack contacts the ground. Using the special anti-theft wheel nut adapter where necessary, slacken each of the wheel nuts half a turn. Wind the jack handle clockwise until the wheel is clear of the ground. Fully unscrew the wheel nuts and remove the wheel. Locate the spare wheel over the studs on the hub, then refit and lightly tighten the wheel nuts. Lower the vehicle to the ground and tighten the wheel nuts securely. Stow the punctured wheel, then lift the cradle and hook it onto the securing bracket. Tighten the bolt to raise the wheel cradle. Refit the brace to the jack and secure them to the tailgate sill with the fastener. Don't forget to remove the wheel chocks.